Bad migao mochung' ne weche mag lupo e kaunti ma Nakuru ogolo lipot ni rech mawuok e nam ma Naivasha koro ler kendo ber ne oganda inyalo ti godo. Kata kamano, bad migao okwero chamo rech mawuok e nam ma Nakuru ka giwacho ni pi e nam ma Nakuru ochido kendo omwanore gi taka gi gik mamoko. Magi biro bang' johala mag rech kod johala mawuok Naivasha wuok oko mar medo kido manyien mag rengege e namno ero mar medo kwan mar rech e alworano.
The quality of the fish, especially from the Lake Naivasha, we should not worry about. It is safe for consumption, and it's one of the most preferred fish because it also has good taste. For Lake Nakuru, I think this is one of the contentious issues we have had before, that Lake Nakuru fish is not fit for consumption. But above all, you need to know that Lake Nakuru is a national park, which is under KWS jurisdiction. And we are not supposed to harvest anything.
Samaki imepungua kwa sababu ya uvuvi ambao umekuwa ni very high effort of fishing, na pia illegal fishing, although imepunguka kidogo. Na kwa hivyo tukaona ni vyema tuweze kushirikiana pamoja kama wavuvi, tukaweza kuchanga pesa, tukaweza kusafiri mpaka Sagana na kuendea samaki.
Samaki nafikiri yenye iko ina face kulingana na ile uchumi iko. Utegaji wa samaki Lake Naivasha huko juu kwa sababu ndio kitega uchumi ya wananchi wa hii area.